Hello people, welcome back to BL Animation Studios.
Then go to Toolbar and right-click and select the rectangle marquee tool. Then select this icon. Then press Shift plus Alt and zoom in. Then select. Hold Shift to get straight line. Then select the layer and select mask icon. Then drag and drop the image. Adjust the size. Then send to back the image layer. Select ellipse marquee tool, then hold Shift and drag it. Then hold spacebar and adjust the position. Then click on mask icon. Then click Ctrl plus I to inverse. Then drag and drop the image. Then send to back the image layer. Press Ctrl T and adjust the size. Then select the mask icon and select the brush tool. Keep the hardness to 0 and select soft orange. Keep black foreground and adjust the mask. Go to Channels panel, hide this red, hide this green, and keep this blue. And select this and drag and drop and get a copy. And then select this layer and go to Image and then go to Adjustments and select Levels. And keep the background white and the object should be black. Then press OK. And then hold Ctrl and press this icon. Then go to Layer and click on Mask. Then press Ctrl I to inverse. Now the background removed properly. First import the image, then select and shape. Then drag and drop it to back. Then right click the image and create second mask. Select the text, type a text, and move center back the text. Then select image layer and right click and create second mask. Here you can see the mask.